If you don't see incoming calls on a Nothing Phone 3, if they don't display on your phone, then here's what you can do in order to try to solve these issues. So the first thing that you can do is check if the Not Disturb is enabled. If it's enabled, then this might be the reason why you cannot see incoming calls, so you might want to disable it. If you don't have this widget in the home screen anymore, then you can also visit Quick Settings, and over here you should be able to find this button somewhere. In my case, it is over here. Or you can also go to Settings. Let's open Settings. Over here, go to Sound and Vibration, and here we have the Not Disturb, so we can disable it. And I also check if there is a schedule created for DnD mode, so you can also manage that if you don't want the DnD mode to be reactivated later on in the future. However, if the Not Disturb mode is not the reason why it doesn't work, why you cannot see incoming calls, then another thing that we can do is we can go to Apps. Over here, we're gonna tap to see all apps, then tap on these three dots in the top right corner and choose Show System so that we can see system apps. Now we're gonna use this search option, and first we're gonna write phone. Over here, you should be able to find, for example, the phone app, so we can select it. Can we select it or not? It seems that we cannot select it for some reason. All right, so we're gonna scroll down. A little bit inconvenient, but we're gonna handle that. We're gonna go to the phone app, and we're gonna force stop it. We're gonna also go to permissions in order to see if these permissions are granted. You should have these permissions granted. And then you can also go to notifications in order to make sure that all notifications are enabled, including I believe there should be something for the lock screen, but perhaps it is not over here. We can also go to storage and cache, and we want to clear storage and press delete. After that, we're gonna go back. We're gonna also go to phone and messaging store. We want to go to storage and cache, and we want to clear cache. Then we're gonna go to phone calls, go to storage and cache, and then we want to clear storage. After that, we're gonna go back and open phone services. And over here, we want to do the same thing, open storage and clear the storage. All right. After that, we're gonna also scroll up in order to see if there's something like call managing. Maybe not. We're gonna search for call. All right, so there is nothing related to calls. So that's pretty much all. What we're gonna do next is open the phone app. We want to reopen it because we have force stopped it. So we want to make sure that it is actually running in the background. And of course, in addition to that, it is also recommended to restart the device or reboot it. So we're gonna press the power button and volume up button at the same time so that we can open the power menu, and you want to restart your phone. And after that, you can check if everything is working again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.